Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I use the Got2B new Insta hold spray. I wanted to try this out because I've been seeing it around and I was like, oh, I wanted to know if it's either as good or better than the yellow. And this is just like any other video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply it to my head and style it, create baby hairs and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see how this turns out, continue watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. I was definitely impressed with the way this held up. It pretty much held up the same way the yellow Got2B would hold up. I really liked it. As you can see, this is not going anywhere. It is not moving. It is laid. And also what I like to do, this is very optional, you don't have to do this, but I just like to put makeup on it, just those lines that you see, just to make them go invisible and let everything blend in seamlessly. As you can see, as soon as I put the makeup on, those little lines that you see, they are disappearing. And that's pretty much what I like to do. But overall, I do like this new spray. I would definitely use it. I feel like it dried faster for some reason, so this is good. So yeah, this spray definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I actually think it's a little bit better than the yellow Got2B spray. But you guys get your hands on it and let me know what you think. Once again, thank you for watching my videos, and please like, comment, and subscribe.